Here on site, Sweet Terminal, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Side note, this place is a madhouse right now. I think I talked about it in the past couple of videos that we got old trailers going out, new trailers coming in, new equipment coming in. That's what it appears to be going on here in this little overflow lot. Even over there, I've never seen that many drop trailers and just so much going on. And for folks that drive for Sweet, they know here at the main terminal that, you know, if you just out of the camera, you know, go down here to the left, there's another like lower area for parking and things overnight. And even down there, there are trailers and it is insane what's happening here right now. I've never seen anything like it. But with all that being said, we just dropped our empty trailer, and yeah, we're gonna do the big switch. So I gotta go in and find some folks here and get ready to see what's going on here. So here we go. Update time. So I went inside and found some folks that I need to talk to in regard to this. It's going to be a little bit because they still have some things that they have to finish up on their end. But for now, I am going to start packing up some of my things like the CB radio, my tablet, or not my tablet, my Garmin, and just, you know, personal things, cell phone mount, little odds and ends, and just get ready for the big move. I wish it wasn't raining in this situation, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we were just gonna pack some stuff together, all my personal stuff, and I mean, all the big stuff is ready to go, but just like little odds and ends and things like that, we gotta, you know, break down and put in boxes and such, and just get ready to switch everything over. But they're gonna come over and get me as soon as they're ready, so should be here shortly. All right, moment of truth. Let's take a walk. Well, here it is, boys and girls. My new home. Truck number 23631, 2022 Freightliner Cascadia. I know, a freight shaker. But it is, ooh, I got some goodies. It is brand new, and I'm thrilled. Everything brand new. I just am so excited. Mattresses brand new, curtains are still up. You know, everything's still in like the plastic and everything. I don't even know how that worked that. 1,989 miles. It's brand new. Wow. Very smooth idle. Holy hell. It's gonna be getting used to. I've never had a freight shaker, Freightliner. So this is gonna be new and an adjustment for me. All the different switches and controls and everything. I'm gonna have to get used to it. But looks really nice. Everything is black in here, which I really like. It's nice and dark. You know, once you get the curtains down and everything, it looks very clean, very modern. Lots of space. Definitely a lot more space back here and in between the seats than my Kenworth. But let's turn some of these lights on. All LED inside too, which is nice. Got a fridge down here. That's actually bigger than my other refrigerator. That's awesome. Love that. A little drawer. A TV mount. I gotta mount my 32-inch. Yeah, a lot of storage space. Upper bunk, but we won't be using that. You know, storage space and more space up top here. I'm really excited. This is really nice. Really clean. Yeah, the new bunks. Let's lift this thing up. And underneath, got the chains over there, but I don't run out west, so I really probably won't have to use those. Thermo King Pure Wave inverter, 2,000 watts. Okay, so we have an inverter too. That's fantastic. We will take that. Has a Thermo King APU as well. And then all my fluids and stuff over there, washer fluid, oil, coolant, anti-gel fire extinguisher triangles, it looks like. So that's good. Lock that up. Yeah, all the bunk sleeper controls back there. Gotta install my APU, or my CB, hook that up. Find a home for my Garmin over there somewhere. Really excited, guys, really excited. This is my paperwork over here. So I think we'll just put this down there. But here she is. Turn the lights on. So let's take a little walk around the outside of it. Kill switch there. Oh, this is how you open that back door. Yeah. Fancy. Okay. So excited. We're really happy. Really excited. LED. Very nice. And then Thermo King tri-pack APU. Let's see, we got the load bars. You can put load bars right there if you wanted to. Tires. And this is a truck with brake rotors. No more brake drums. We got brake rotors. Very excited. All right, that's it for now. Alright guys, update. It's been a couple hours. We've been busy working, as you can imagine, trying to jam all my crap in here. When you get into a new truck, it's hard. I try to be as minimalistic as possible with the amount of stuff that I have. This is pretty much it, in between the bedding and, you know, my food and stuff down here in the refrigerator, the TV obviously. Annoyingly, this doesn't fit underneath here in this shelf, or not the shelf, like the mount for the TV underneath the shelf does not move, so I'm gonna have to figure out a better position for that. I can't really like adjust it at all to get it back underneath there to like tuck it against that wall. But yeah, a little bit of growing pains. New mattress and stuff. I got all my stuff in here, all my junk underneath here for the side boxes on both sides. It's my broomstick. I gotta find out. This is annoying. This Freightliner has like an automatic shut off. I don't know. I have to like figure out, see if we can turn it off or something, because like it idles for like a second and then it's like, all right, shutting off. But yeah. In other news, we got some loads assigned to us. They got a load right here on the yard, probably right behind me, that has to get delivered. It's going about 60 miles, and then we got a load that's going back to Pennsylvania. So I think that'll about do it for this here video. I just wanted to wrap it up, do that load out here, and then talk about the new truck a little bit. I'm definitely excited about it. It's going to be an adjustment for sure, but so far so good. I'm excited, guys. I will definitely miss old 9609, that's for sure, and whoever gets it next is going to be lucky. But yeah, I think that'll about do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, turn that off again. Drop them down in the comments below. Linked in the description. We'll have a bunch of information and stuff. If you want to drive for sweet like me, be sure to check out my other content. I have a lot of information about, you know, coming over here and what perks can be like and what running loads is like and equipment tours and all kind of stuff. But yeah, that'll about do it, guys. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, if you like this kind of stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.